Hi, I'm Amellia Diemer, Senior Product Manager here at Brother. Today we're going to talk about all things Artspira. Artspira is a cloud-based design app for Brother wireless-enabled embroidery cutting and printing machines like this unique embroidery machine and sublimation printer coming soon. With Artspira on your tablet or mobile device, you can easily edit, design, and create on the go and then transfer your ideas to your machine. Have a cool design you want to show off? Artspira lets you share many creations on so many social media platforms. After the initial launch of Artspira last year, we now have over 50,000 connected global users. Now, many of our customers are ready to take their crafting and embroidery skills to the next level. So we are excited to announce we have launched Artspira Plus, a subscription plan that provides exceptional features like cross-stitching, embroidery digitizing, line art tracing, augmented reality, and portrait conversion. Artspira Plus is being offered at $12.99 per month, and with this premium plan, you can save up to 100 designs in the Artspira cloud storage versus the 20 with the free version. You can also transfer as many designs as you want. All these great features at a price per month that's less than 3 cups of coffee. Now, the free version isn't going away. And unlike other design platforms, you are not required to purchase the paid subscription plan to continue using Artspira. And remember, Artspira Plus is simply a subscription plan within the existing app. However, the tools and capabilities plus the additional designs you receive under this plan would easily cost between $20 to $50 if you had to purchase individual software or apps for each tool. With Artspira Plus, they're all in one place, accessible for less than $13 a month. And the best part is that we give you 2 months free. So after you sign up for Artspira Plus, enjoy 60 days at no cost to you. Let's take some FAQs. Thanks, Meg. So the first FAQ that's come in is Artspira still going to be a free service? And the answer is yes. So Artspira will still continue to be free. You'll have access to designs, to an Artspira magazine, to projects. The paid version just allows an enhancement to your current Artspira experience. The second question is, what is the difference between Artspira, Canvas Workspace, and PE Design? This is a great question. So Artspira is available on mobile devices and tablets, like we mentioned, and it's really on-the-go fun, looking for projects, inspiration, and browsing all of the designs. Canvas Workspace is a PC-based software that allows cutting machine users to edit on a desktop or PC. And then PE Design is an advanced PC embroidery software that's going to allow our embroidery customers to get maximized or enhanced features on their desktop. All right, let's see, a couple more here. So what file types can I upload? Uploading files is actually only available in the Artspira Plus paid subscription plan. And that's going to allow you to upload file types for your cutting machines, for your printing machines, and for your embroidery machines. And some of the file types that you'll be able to upload, for example, for embroidery are PES, PHX, and DST. For cutting, FCM, SVG, and then for printing, JPEG and PNG. Next question is, what devices can I download Artspira on? So again, Artspira is only available on mobile and tablet currently. Is there another app for Artspira Plus? So the short answer is no. Artspira Plus is just the name of the paid subscription plan within the current Artspira application. How often is the app updated with new content? That's a great question. Artspira is actually updated pretty regularly with new content. Every week you'll see new magazines, you'll see new projects, and you'll see new designs uploaded into the application. Can I access my Canvas Workspace through Artspira? So this is another great question. So currently you cannot access Canvas Workspace through Artspira. There is a Canvas Workspace login for Artspira. So really all it is just allowing you to have one login for Artspira and for Canvas Workspace, so you're not having to remember multiple logins for different platforms. All right. Couple more. What machines are compatible? So another great question. We're going to link to all of our wireless capable machines here below, so just check that when you get a chance. How many machines can I connect to Artspira? So you can actually connect up to 4 machines. This can be any 4 machines. So say I'm a customer with an embroidery machine, I have a cutting machine and a printing machine. I can connect all 3 of those plus an additional embroidery machine to Artspira. And again, you can transfer as many designs as you want in the free version or in the paid version. And then the last question is, why do I see product categories I don't currently own on my app? So I think this is a great one. Really, the goal of Artspira, again, is that it's an all-in-one design platform. Brother offers a wide range of creative products, and so whether you're an embroidery user, a cutting user, or a printing user, you'll find all of the designs, all of the projects there in Artspira. So whether you're thinking about a purchase, you can kind of go in and browse and see what we have to offer, or you have multiple machines with us. It's just a really good opportunity for you to use and collaborate in Artspira. And I believe that is the last question. So for a full list of FAQs, just visit the link below. And if you have any questions, pop them into the comments and we'll get back to you. You can also view this video on the Brother Sews YouTube channel, which addresses FAQs and helps you determine which plan might be right for you. If you want to learn more about these new products, visit brother-usa.com. And remember, Artspira is available on the Apple Store or Google Play Store. We look forward to seeing all of your new creations. So follow and tag us at Brother Sews and Brother Crafts USA and join the Artspira Maker community.